20 Skills for Brand Management. Brand management is a critical aspect of business strategy that involves the creation, development, and maintenance of a strong and cohesive brand image. It is the art of shaping and nurturing a brand's identity, perception, and value in the minds of consumers and stakeholders. Successful brand management can lead to increased brand awareness, customer loyalty, and competitive advantage in the marketplace. To excel in this field, professionals need a diverse set of skills that encompass both creativity and strategic thinking. Here are 20 essential skills for effective brand management. 1. Strategic vision. Brand managers must possess the ability to envision the long-term direction of the brand and develop strategies to achieve specific objectives. This includes analyzing market trends, competitor activities, and customer insights to make informed decisions. 2. Brand positioning. Understanding how to position the brand in the market to differentiate it from competitors and resonate with the target audience is crucial. Effective positioning creates a unique space for the brand in consumers' minds. 3. Market research. Brand managers need to conduct comprehensive market research to gather valuable insights about consumer behavior, preferences, and perceptions. This data-driven approach helps in formulating effective branding strategies. 4. Creative thinking. Creativity is a fundamental skill for brand managers. They must be able to come up with innovative ideas and concepts to build compelling brand stories and engaging campaigns. 5. Brand identity development. Developing and maintaining a consistent brand identity across all touchpoints, including logo, color scheme, typography, and tone of voice, is vital for brand recognition and recall. 6. Brand guidelines. Creating and enforcing brand guidelines ensures that all brand communications and visuals are in line with the brand's essence and positioning. 7. Digital marketing. In the digital age, brand managers must have a deep understanding of digital marketing channels and strategies to effectively reach and engage with the target audience online. 8. Social media management. Brand managers need to be adept at managing social media platforms, fostering brand communities, and responding to customer feedback effectively. 9. Content creation. The ability to develop high-quality, engaging, and relevant content across various mediums, such as blogs, videos, and infographics, is essential for effective brand storytelling. 10. Relationship building. Brand managers must build strong relationships with internal teams, external partners, and influencers to amplify the brand's reach and impact. 11. Crisis management. Handling brand crises and negative publicity requires quick thinking, effective communication, and damage control to protect the brand's reputation. 12. Data analytics. Analyzing data and key performance indicators, KPIs, helps brand managers measure the effectiveness of branding efforts and make data-driven decisions for continuous improvement. 13. Consumer behavior understanding. A deep understanding of consumer behavior, motivations, and needs helps brand managers develop targeted and relevant marketing strategies. 14. Project management. Brand managers often handle multiple projects simultaneously. Proficient project management skills are essential to meet deadlines and deliver successful campaigns. 15. Leadership. Leadership skills are crucial for brand managers, as they often lead cross-functional teams and collaborate with various stakeholders to drive brand success. 16. Storytelling. Crafting compelling brand stories that emotionally connect with the target audience helps in building brand loyalty and advocacy. 17. Brand monitoring. Monitoring brand mentions, customer feedback, and competitor activities allows brand managers to stay informed and make data-driven decisions. 18. Budget management. Brand managers need to be skilled at managing budgets effectively to ensure optimal allocation of resources for branding initiatives. 19. Public relations. Understanding the importance of public relations in building a positive brand image and maintaining good relationships with the media is essential for brand managers. 20. Adaptability. The branding landscape is ever-evolving. Brand managers must be adaptable and open to embracing new technologies, trends, and consumer preferences. Combining these skills enables brand managers to develop and implement successful brand strategies that leave a lasting impact on consumers, strengthen brand loyalty, and drive business growth.